Hello and welcome to this lesson titled Sport in Afrikaans. I really struggled to find certain pictures, so some pictures might not portray the words correctly. The fact that I know absolutely nothing about sport didn't help as well. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name different components of sport. There will be no revision for this lesson. The words you need to memorize for this lesson are as follows. Bal, bal, bol, fluitjie, fluitjie, whistle, doel, doel, goal, stadion, stadion, stadium. Type sport, type of sport. I chose the type of sport that's most commonly played at South African schools. Most of the Afrikaans names are very similar to the English names. Rugby, rugby. And in English it's the same, rugby. Soccer, soccer, soccer. Cricket, cricket, cricket. Hockey, hockey, hockey. Netbal, netbal, netbal. Atletiek, atletiek, athletics. Deelnemers in sport. Participants in sport. Spelers, spelers, players. Toeskouers, toeskouers, spectators. Scheidsrechter, scheidsrechter. Referee or umpire. Afrigter, afrigter. Trainer or coach. Tydhouer, tydhouer. Timekeeper. Sport toerusting, sport equipment. Tellbord, tellbord. Scoreboard. Punte telling, punte telling. Score. Stop oorlosie, stop oorlosie. Stopwatch. Trofee, trofee. Trophy. There will be no activity for this lesson. Perfect opportunity to go out and play some sport, if you like sport. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.